Hey YouTube, we're working today on this 2014 Dodge Ram, and we're going to be replacing the original tail lights with an LED tail lights. So this will improve the visibility, and it will give it a better look to the truck. So we're kind of just testing those tail lights out. We want to see the difference, so we want to compare the old tail light with the new tail light. So we're gonna do that now. Alright, we have the taillights here, so we're just gonna open it. They send the package one in each box, and it's very well, let's say, protected. There's two boxes in it. This one right there. And be careful with the knife, don't go too deep. You don't want to scratch your new taillight. This one is, there you go, here's the tail light. Yeah. Look at that. So you can take a look at them. They look really shiny, really nice. And okay, here we have the tail lights, the pair for the trucks. Now these are going to fit in the Dodge Ram 1500 from 2013 to the 2018 models. For the Ram 2500 and 3500, it will fit the 2014 to the 2018. And the good thing or nice thing about this is just you don't need to put any wires or anything. You just need to plug it in. You just need to plug it in, and it's gonna work just fine. Everything is connected to where it's supposed to be. So you just need to plug it in, and that's it. That's all you need to do. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Okay, in order to remove the old taillights, obviously you're gonna open the tailgate, and there's gonna be two T25 bolts that you need to remove. As soon as you remove those bolts, and just grab it and pull it. Okay, YouTube, we have it installed, the first one, and here we have the original ones, and this one is an LED, so you can see the difference. I think it's brighter. It does pops out more than the original one. I mean, you can see how dim is that one. This one is a lot brighter, even though that side is in the kind of dark side of my porch. This one is in the where it's more light at this time, but you can see how good it looks. I think we're gonna replace the other one as well. So just to let you know, these taillights are from a high quality material. They are waterproof, wear resistant, corrosion resistant, and they have, since they are LED lights, they have more than 50,000 hours lifespan. So I think it's a good investment. So your truck looks cooler, more bright. You know, when you're stopping, you know, that's very, very important nowadays. Sometimes the people are really distracted on the phone or whatever. So that's a good idea to replace with the LED lights. Well, YouTube, I hope this video was helpful for you. How to replace your original tail lights with the LED ones on your Dodge Ram. Again, for the 2013 to 2018 1500 models, from the 2014 to 2018 for the 25 and 3500 models on the Dodge Ram. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider liking and subscribe. Thank you very much.